Good morning, all of you. Welcome, all of you. Audio, video clear. Yes. So today we are discussing paper analysis or the questions of chemical science paper which came in February 2025 CSIR-NET exam. So this session is useful not only for chemical science aspirants, for all aspirants. These questions are very useful. So as the official scorecard came day before yesterday, in that we can get the questions also. That is why we are analyzing this. After this analysis, in this full course, we'll be having the discussion of each of the topics. So mathematical science paper already analyzed. Now chemical science and other papers also will be analyzed. So, and my full course students, if you are not attending the classes in laptop, if you want, you can attend the class in laptop also through this website. If you want to attend the class in mobile app, this is the mobile app details. And all this course is equally useful. CSIR-NET complete course is equally useful for all streams, because for all streams aptitude section is common or similar only. Mathematical science paper we have analyzed. One such question was repeated in chemical science. Not one, 2-3 questions were there, but one was direct repetition. So this is the common syllabus for all subjects aptitude section, and these are the shortcut approaches we'll be using in this course to learn general aptitude better. So new students, if you're not part of, you can be part of our free resources, and as being part of the complete course, you are added to the exclusive WhatsApp group and Telegram group. If you're not part of the exclusive WhatsApp group and Telegram group, check the announcement section in the course page. There you can find the exclusive WhatsApp group and Telegram group. So that's it. Other courses also, for GATE, we have started GATE complete course. The new batch is starting from March 17th. So the new batch for the GATE 2026 live complete course, you can join. Now, a wholly special offer is there where you can get the course at minimum price. Okay, so let us start our discussion. This is the first question. Anyone here who have attempted this exam, please comment. So try this question, all of you. Very simple question. Yeah, very simple question, just a logical question. Choose the correct chronological order of the following. Chronological order means what happened first, then next, then next, then next. In GATE exam, in verbal aptitude, there's something called narrative sequencing, where also you have to do the chronological order thing, but there is a full story. Here it is just keywords. That is why it is much easier. So let us check each options. That will be also fine. CABD. Let us check whether it is making sense. CABD. Preparation first, then writing examination, then result, then joining a job. Okay. Yeah. In between examination and joining a job, there are many other things. But this makes sense. This makes sense. So one is making sense. If you have confusion, you can check the other options also. For example, second option A, examination after that joining a job. No, examination after that joining job, but the preparation is there. Then result, then preparation. No. So option 2 is anyway wrong. Other options also you can check. So I think option 1 only will make sense. So very simple question. Shashikala, are you using raise hand? Shall I add you? New students, if you are not aware, the raise hand feature is when you want to ask the doubt through the audio. आप पूछ सकता है, doubt पूछ सकता है वो raise hand feature use करके. But raise hand, when you are using raise hand feature, please confirm in the chat so that it is easy for me to identify. Because by mistake also raise hand feature can happen. Okay, Shashikala, then fine. So this was the first question. Let's go to the next question. I will come back to this. I'll show you some very silly questions. This was one of the easiest question ever asked. Yeah, if you don't know the keywords, this is not easy, but otherwise it is so silly a question. Number system का keywords, odd number क्या है, digit क्या है, ये सब clear है तो बहुत ही silly question है. And in number system unit, we discuss these things in depth. What are the characteristics? What are the properties of odd number, even number? What are the major formula you have to learn about odd number, even number, everything. Bharati, refresh and check. Screen is visible, I guess. Audio, video, and screen is clear to all now. Read the question carefully, please. Okay, I'll explain. The third smallest 3-digit odd number using the digits 1 to 9. 0 is not possible, 1 to 9. 0 possible nahi hai, to option 1 already eliminated hai na, because option 1 has 0 in it. Using the digit 1 to 9 means all 3 digits you can use 1 to 9 only. You cannot use 0. So option 1 is eliminated. So 101, 102 or 100, 101 up to 109. All of them have 0 in the middle, so all of them are eliminated. So 110 onwards, 110 also have 0, 111 onwards, 0 is missing. And we need odd number. So 111 is the first such odd number, but third such odd number we need. 111 के बाद अगला odd number 113 होगा, then 115 होगा. So this 115 is what we need. So option 4 is the correct answer. Simple है ना? Isn't it that simple a question? Patiently reading the question was enough to do this question. Please respond, all of you. Clear hai? If so, let's go to the next question. This one, distance and direction question, very simple. Okay, Shashikala. Anyone here who have attempted this chemical science exam? Do you have the answer key? Actually, I haven't checked the answer key. If there is any mismatch of answer options, please comment, because I think today is the last day for challenging the answer key. So if any answers are different from my explanation, you can point out if the official answer key is different. I will cross check once again. Otherwise, you can follow the solution I have given for challenging the answer key. Okay, I'll start explaining. From a starting point, A walks 5 kilometers along a direction between north and east. Yeah, your basic understanding of distance and direction. I told multiple times, north, south, east, west. और उसके बीच में नॉर्थ ईस्ट, साउथ ईस्ट, साउथ वेस्ट, नॉर्थ वेस्ट, ये सब डायरेक्शंस क्लियर होना चाहिए. एंड पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट भी हेल्प करेगा ऐसा क्वेश्चंस में. So north or east के in between means like this northeast line. But what is the angle that is not mentioned, but that you can understand further. A walks 5 kilometers along a direction between north and east. So this is east, this is north. So in this direction, A is moving 5 kilometers. B walks 4 kilometers towards west. So B के लिए दूसरा color choose करेगा. So from B from here, west, this is west ना, 4 kilometers west travel किया. A then walks 4 kilometers towards west. So A kaha hai? A is here now. From here, A is moving 4 kilometers west, means like this. Now the next part is very important. Such a way that she reaches exactly north of her starting point. This is her starting point. So now she is exactly north, means this should be perpendicular. ये 90 degree होना चाहिए. ये 4 है, ये 5 है. That is where Pythagorean triplet comes into play. 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triplet. So if this is 5, this is 4, this is confirmed 3. Yeah, the picture is not proportional as it is freehand drawn. So the 4 I can draw a little more bigger. So north of her starting point, B turns to her right. B yaha hai, from here B is turning to her right. That is, this is the right. I told you, turn the paper, not your head, to understand direction. Then 3 kilometers ऐसा travel किया. So B will reach here finally. Now A is here. This 3 I have represented to understand that this 3 and this 3 equal. So B and A are on the same horizontal line. उसके लिए मैं ये 3 represent किया. ऐसा एक distance travel नहीं किया. A ने सिर्फ यहाँ reach किया. So A is here finally, B is here finally. Now B is at same place as A? No. 1 kilometer south of A? No. South of A means here. 1 kilometer southwest of A, southwest means south here, west here. So southwest is somewhere here. 4 kilometer west of A. हाँ, इसके बीच में ये distance 4 kilometer है, क्योंकि ये 4 है तो ये भी 4 आना चाहिए. Like a rectangle it is. So 4 kilometer, this is west direction. West direction है ना. So option 4 is perfectly correct. Is it clear, all of you? Please respond. These kinds of questions we are constantly discussing in our course. Before this exam, we have made students practice these kinds of distance and direction sense question. This exam, most of the questions were as per the prediction of even most expected questions. एक lecture था YouTube में. Many of the questions came similar to what I have explained in the most expected question. And those who attended my full course, many students have told they have got 27.5 mark, they have got 25 mark in 25 minutes, they have got 30 out of 30. So I'm so happy to hear that. So new students, don't worry. As per last course students, most of the questions is actually from what I am teaching. Just following what I am teaching itself, directly you will get some questions from that. Some questions will be indirect from that, but the concept I taught is enough to solve them. So to score very high mark in very less time, getting very high mark is not very big deal, but getting very high mark in very less time, that is a big deal. So that is what I will be training you for. So try the next question, statement type question. Try this question, statement and conclusion. Yeah, this paper mein a statement and conclusion type 2 questions were there. Normally statement and conclusion, one question or sometimes 0 question only will be asked, but this time they were asking it more. That is one slight change. Even that comprehension type also they have introduced that statement conclusion type. That is comparatively newer type. So as it is a newer type, in our new course, we'll be adding those kinds of questions also and explaining how to do that faster. So those who are watching this video as a demo video or something, what I will suggest you is, compared to previous courses, when the new course comes, we will update the course according to the latest trend of CSIR. If CSIR have introduced 1 or 2 new type of questions, we'll be giving more importance to that types also. So that many a times when a new type is introduced, they will continue it for few years. For example, last 4 years mein naya trend aaya tha, counting letters and options ke according. Even this question paper had such a question. After this, I will show you that. That is a new trend of question started from September 2022. September 2022 के पहले एक भी question ऐसा नहीं आया था. But from 2022 September, every exam they are asking that type of questions. So that is what I am saying. When CSIR introduce a new type, उसका ज़्यादा focus करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि chances are there वो type अगला पेपर में भी repeat हो जाएगा. So try this question. Get some water and come, all of you try this. Shashigala, throat is much better, but for the last 3 or 4 weeks, it started. Still not completely, cough is still there, but I can teach now. Earlier, it was difficult to teach also. That's why last 2-3 weeks there was, as per the plan, classes didn't happen. Like 1 class less as per the current schedule. Okay, so some of you got the answer. Let's see. Classes A and B have equal strengths and equal number of boys and girls. So class A, class B, boys and girls are also equal in number. BG denotes boys, girls. Here B denotes class B. So yes, सब equal है. For example, ये 10 है तो ये भी 10 है, ये भी 10 है, ये भी 10 है. Just to give you a clarity. All students from A are vegetarian. That means total 20 students are there. All 20 of them are vegetarians. Some students of B are vegetarian. मतलब in those 20 students, some are vegetarians. Maybe 5 or 6 or 10 or 15. Yes, some means anything more than 1 is fine. Even 1 also is okay technically. But it is not all. When they are saying some, it does not mean all of them. So which one of the following statements is definitely false? Hamesha false आंसर होगा. All boys are vegetarians. Is it definitely false? No, all boys being vegetarians is possible क्योंकि ये क्लास A में सब vegetarians है. क्लास A में all are vegetarians. These 10 are vegetarians, these 10 are vegetarians. Class B में some vegetarians are there. What if all those vegetarians are these girls itself? Sorry, some are vegetarians means what if all those are boys itself and girls are non-vegetarians? In that case, all boys are vegetarians are correct ना, क्योंकि ये 10 भी वेजिटेरियंस है, ये 10 भी वेजिटेरियंस है. ऐसा होना इम्पॉसिबल नहीं है, ऐसा होना इम्पॉसिबल नहीं है, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में लिखा है क्लास बी में भी सम स्टूडेंट्स आर वेजिटेरियंस. सो ये 10 स्टूडेंट्स वेजिटेरियंस है तो ऑल बॉयज आर वेजिटेरियंस पॉसिबल है, डेफिनेटली फॉल्स नहीं है. सो ऑप्शन 1 एलिमिनेटेड. ऑल गर्ल्स आर वेजिटेरियन, सेम आर्ग्यूमेंट. ये नॉन वेजिटेरियंस का जगह ये सारा गर्ल्स वेजिटेरियंस और ये बॉयज नॉन वेजिटेरियंस हो या सम ऑफ देम वेजिटेरियंस हो. इन दैट केस these all girls are vegetarians in class A. Class B वाला girls भी vegetarians होना possible है. So definitely false नहीं है all girls are vegetarian वाला argument. Is it clear? Majority of the students are vegetarian. Yeah, A class में 20 students are confirmed vegetarians. B class में at least one student is a vegetarian because some of them are vegetarian means at least one. So 20 plus 1 itself is 21, which is more than half. More than half means majority. So ये definitely false नहीं है, ये almost always true है, always true है. So 3 is wrong. Majority of the students are non-vegetarians. That is always false now, because minimum 21 vegetarians are there if 40 people are there. 40 I'm taking just for as an example. So 40 में से confirm 21 vegetarians है तो मिनिमम 19 नॉन वेजिटेरियंस है या मैक्सिमम 19 नॉन वेजिटेरियंस है. मैक्सिमम 19 नॉन वेजिटेरियंस है मींस सो मैक्सिमम 19 नॉन वेजिटेरियंस मींस majority of the students are non vegetarians is always false. So 4 is the correct answer. Is it clear? If it is clear, let's go to the next question. Yeah, this one second. This is the question I told you. One second. Yeah, try this once. This is the question was there in the mathematical science paper. Same got repeated in chemical science paper with different sentence. Try करिए. And this is the question I told you. September 2022 से नया trend आया है ऐसा questions का. That is why welcome new students to be part of the latest course where this new trends will be given more importance. From that itself, you can easily score more questions. So try करिए. Okay, so I'll explain. Choose the option to fill in the blank that will make the following statement logically correct. मतलब statement correct होना चाहिए, statement गलत नहीं हो सकता. Correct count of number of occurrences of the letter E in this sentence. So E को count करिए. 1 E, second, third E, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th. Can you all see this 13 E's? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. लेकिन 13 एंटर किया तो 13 इफ आई राइट इट इन दिस ब्लैंक, इसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या है? 13 का 2 ईज भी ये सेंटेंस का पार्ट हो जाएगा, बिकॉज यू आर एंटरिंग दैट इन दिस ब्लैंक. सो दैट विल बिकम 15 ईज, मतलब स्टेटमेंट लॉजिकली इनकरेक्ट हो जाएगा. स्टेटमेंट ट्रू होना चाहिए ना, तो उसके लिए 13 आंसर पॉसिबल नहीं है, इसलिए 13 गलत है. 12 already eliminated because it is more than 13 for sure. Now 14 एंटर किया तो 14 एंटर किया तो अभी बचा हुआ ऑप्शन 14 एंड 15 है ना. 14 एंटर किया तो क्या सिचुएशन है? 14 का 2 ईस है, दैट विल मेक 14 15. दैट इज अगेन कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन. 15 आ रहा है, सो लॉजिकली ये इनकरेक्ट हो जाएगा. सो 14 भी गलत है. देन 15 ओनली रिमेन्स. हाँ, 15 में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बिकॉज 15 फॉर्चुनेटली हैव 2 more e's which make the count 15 itself. So now the statement is logically correct. So a person who have attended my previous lectures, you clearly know this is an expected question in CSIR. Then you don't make mistakes. Otherwise, a person who is totally new to it can think that question is asking just number of e's. वो तो 13 है, तो 13 टिक करिए. That 13 is a totally wrong answer. 12 have eliminated because there is no 12 e's in it, Shashigala. Already we reached the count 13. Then how 12 will be the answer? Question is asking logically correct. Yeah, there is another version of this question which was asked in 2024, which will make the statement logically incorrect. In that case, 12 can be the answer. But if you enter 12 in the blank, 12 have 2 more e's which make the count 15. Or you don't have to enter 12 because without 12 itself it is 13. Then how 12 will be the answer? It will be 13 or more, na? So obviously 12 is readily eliminated when you counted 13 e's itself. So then try this. Again, this was another one, previous year question repetition. I have explained this kind of question multiple times in the YouTube videos itself. I have explained multiple times that transportation, train, Tarun travels by train, Colin travels by cycle. Then 2 more people, Bharati and Anwar, someone. So 4 people, A, B, C, D, first letter, 4 people were there. That question का almost similar question है ये, बहुत ही simple है. Sorry. It was muted. Sorry, by mistake. So I will repeat. So this question is a similar question of previous year question, 2020 November exam. Sorry, 2022 February exam. This question was there. Instead of 4 names, 4 games, it was 4 people and the mode of transportation. Anvara, Bharati, Tarun and Colin, that were the 4 names, and the 4 transportation was auto, bicycle, auto rickshaw, cycle and train, and we have to match it just like this. Usme initials were matching for 2 people. That was the sentence. Here it is written, no one plays a game with the same initial as her name. What does that mean? Betty's first letter is B, so Betty cannot play basketball. Helen's first letter is H, so Helen cannot play hockey. Samantha's first letter S, so Samantha cannot play soccer. Valerie first letter V, isliye volleyball, not for Valerie. So that is the meaning of this sentence. मतलब किसी भी ऑप्शन ऐसा B and B, H and H, S and S, V and V वाला है तो you can eliminate it. Unfortunately, there is no such option like that. So read further. If Valerie plays basketball, so name and game, I'm just writing the first letters for easy, faster solution. So Valerie play basketball means Valerie and basketball are matched. Matlab no one else can take basketball. Matlab Helen does not play soccer means Helen cannot take basketball also because basketball is already taken by Valerie. Helen cannot take soccer because question mein likha hai Helen does not play soccer. And Helen cannot play hockey because Helen और hockey का first letter same है. No one plays game with the same initial letter. इसलिए ये भी eliminated है. इसलिए we can say Helen plays what? The only remaining possibility soccer. Sorry, only remaining possibility which is volleyball. So Helen play volleyball. That is the only possibility. Helen play volleyball means first sentence Helen play basketball wrong. Samantha play volleyball wrong because Helen play volleyball. Valerie play hockey, that is already wrong because Valerie play basketball is already written. Question mein likha hai Valerie play basketball. So Valerie play hockey is wrong. Now Betty play soccer only remaining. That is enough to finish that. But if you want, you can further investigate and match everyone. But that is unnecessary. So volleyball V and B, H and V means abhi bacha hua people kya play karna hai? Name is Samantha and Betty remaining. Samantha will play what? Samantha cannot play B, V. And Samantha cannot play S also. I mean soccer, first letter same. So Samantha can play only the remaining game, that is hockey. So Betty should play only the remaining game, that is soccer. So these are the 4 matching you can do. For saving time, I use the first letters. If you want, if you feel you will be confused, write first 3 letters or something to identify it better. Anyway, second statement is making sense. So this was a who is who or what is what type of question. ऐसा one more question था. हाँ, इस बार ये who is who type questions ज़्यादा पूछा है in this paper. So try this. Seating arrangement और who is who दोनों का idea इसमें involved है. Seating arrangement का idea ज़्यादा है ये question में. बहुत ही interesting question है, easy है, carefully try करिए. Okay, Shashikala. All of you are understanding, right? If you're understanding, please comment. So if you're watching this video on YouTube also, please comment. As the exam, today is the last day for the challenging answer key. That's why this is uploaded in YouTube also so that you can challenge if there is any. I haven't seen the answer key of this paper. That's why you have to check whether the answer key is differing from any of my solution given. Then you can challenge it. Or if you feel the answer key is correct and my solution is not correct, comment on this video. We will discuss and clarify that also. And the complete course students, each of these questions we will be discussing separately in our full lectures, topic by topic. When I discuss theory, after the theory and after teaching the strategies, I will be discussing this PYQs in our complete course for CSIR-NET General Aptitude. Okay, due to lack of time, I'll start explaining. Among four playing cards, a heart is to the immediate left of spade. Immediate left means there is no one else in between. In the seating arrangement chapter, we learn it as left neighbor. Left neighbor. Heart is H for heart. Heart is immediate left of S. So H and S are seating adjacent. So four playing cards only. So as you know, playing cards may there is a suit. There is something called suit. In the probability chapter, I have given a flashcard where I have defined this. There I have explained it for probability, but this time in seating arrangement chapter they have asked playing card का terms. So उसमें clarity के लिए मैं एक और बार repeat करेगा. Heart, spade, diamond and club are the four types of suits in a playing card. वो सारा suits में 13 numbers are there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then jack, queen, king and ace. So ऐसा 13 types of cards है. So यहाँ पे दो criteria है. One is suit name. Second is number written. 7, 9, 8 and J are the four numbers. 7, 8, 9, J. Four cards are hearts, spade, diamond and club. लेकिन इसका order पता नहीं है. Order को match करना है. That is the requirement. So heart and spade are neighbors. ये तो clear है ना? Now 9 left of J. Left and immediate left are different. Please understand. Left matlab somewhere left. Immediate left means no neighbor in between. Sorry, no person in between. So 9 is to the left of J. We will understand that. A diamond is to the right of hearts. A diamond is to the right of a heart. 1 second. 1 second. I think there is an error there. Just a minute. Let me just check whether the when typed if there is any mistake. Yeah, it is correct only. Sorry. Diamond is to the right of hearts only is mentioned, not mentioned immediate right. Because heart का immediate right spade होना चाहिए. Diamond right में होना चाहिए मतलब not here because spade is already occupying. Right means anywhere right. मतलब here or here is fine. So diamond should be here or here. So now 7 is leftmost card. Club is the rightmost card. हाँ, club is the rightmost card means club should be here. मतलब diamond को और कोई possibility बचा नहीं है. Diamond should be here. मतलब all the four suits we have arranged properly according to the given condition. ये clear है ना? Hearts, spade, diamond, club, left to right ये order में होना चाहिए. All of you please confirm. Confirm in the comments. Is it clear or not? Now numbers को match करना है. Just like previous question. अभी तक seating arrangement था. अभी who's who problem का idea भी involved है. Like previous question, we discussed that 4 people and four of the games they are playing. Similarly, here the suits should be matched with. The suit should be matched with what? Matched with these four numbers mentioned. 1 second. Please wait. Okay, yeah. So after this, Okay, so now you have to match the numbers with this four arrangement. So heart, spade, diamond, club, ये arrangement सबको clear है? Heart, spade, diamond, club. Now these four. 7 is the leftmost card. So 7 should be hearts now. 7 and heart should match. 7 and heart, because heart is the leftmost suit. So leftmost number should be 7. So 7 of hearts in playing cards terminology, 7 of hearts we call it. Now 8 is to the left of 9 means somewhere left. So 8, 9 like this or 8, 9 like this. But this information is enough to finish this. 9 is to the left of J. मतलब 9 left of J होना चाहिए, 8 left of 9 होना चाहिए, मतलब 9 middle में होना चाहिए ना. So that 9 left of J ऐसा होगा and 8 left of 9 भी satisfy होगा. Only if 9 is in the middle of 8 and J, ये दो sentences को combine कर सकता है. ये seating arrangement chapter में ऐसा combining technique, many questions we will discuss. That time I will explain more about it. ये clear है ना सबको? Please respond. So we matched the suits with the number. Then 9 is a what? 9 is a diamond. So diamond is the answer. Clear है ना? सबको clear है? How J last? J last because 9 should be middle of 8 and J, Shashigala. Because combine these two sentences properly. 9 left of J. 8 left of 9. ये दोनों combine करना है. तो if you want to combine both of this, 8, 9, J, because only 3 positions are remaining. There is no 4 or 5 positions remaining. Only 3 positions, only 3 numbers. So 8, 9, J is the only possibility. This sentence and this sentence are the reason for this arrangement 8, 9, J. Is it clear now? Shashikala, clear hai na? Is it clear now? So diamond hona chahiye answer. Beautiful question this was. So for those people who want more idea about the playing cards, these are the 4 suits: spade, hearts, diamond, clubs, the images I have given here. And these are the 13 cards. So in probability also this is important. So yeah, almost all the important things we have covered in the flashcard itself. So whatever you are missing, you can refer our flashcard. As part of this course, you are already getting the flashcard ebook worth now almost 120 flashcards we have created. New flashcards also are added. So exclusive access of all those flashcards you will be getting as part of this course. Okay, you're clear enough. And this was another question, statement type question, kind of a comprehension we can say. Earlier, this kind of questions were very less in CSIR. But इस बार introduce किया है, so we cannot skip it now. So I will give you more such questions in this course. So as I have told, this is the most updated course. So all the new patterns accordingly we will be aligning. But ऐसा new patterns 2-3 नया patterns ही आया है. Not all of them are new patterns. No. Iska lighter versions 1 time or 2 time they have asked few years back. But this is just a logic. No, what we can say, higher understanding of comprehensions or comprehension skills are not needed. Just basic understanding is enough. Carefully try kariye. Statements को properly combine करना है. That's a basic idea. Okay, I'll explain. So the passage says, in a region, earthquakes are the only cause behind landslides. मतलब landslides होने के लिए earthquakes होना जरूरी है. Earthquakes are mandatory for landslide to happen because that is the only cause. Landslides are one of the cause. So if earthquake happens, landslide will happen. But if landslide happens, accidents may or may not happen. Maybe yes, maybe no. Or not like that. For accidents, there can be other reasons also. Landslides is one of the reason, but other reasons can also create accidents. So, and deaths are one of the possible results of accidents. Result means accident may or may not cause death. Maybe cause death, yes, or may not cause death. Yeah, that is true now. All accidents people won't die. Some accidents people die, some accidents people don't die. Now, from this data, if there was no earthquake in the region during a year, which of the following would definitely hold true? Always true होना चाहिए. Earthquake नहीं हुआ तो landslide नहीं होगा. Confirm. Because earthquake is the only reason or the only cause for landslides. So that is why earthquake nahi hua means landslide nahi hua. There were no landslides. That is correct. So option 3 is the answer. Let us check other option. There were no accidents. Can you say? Did the question say anywhere that landslide only can cause accident? No. But rather it have told landslides are one of the causes. Accidents ka aur bhi causes hai na. Rash driving cause hai. Otherwise sleeping while driving is a cause. So there were no accidents because of no earthquake happening in the year. Totally wrong. Definitely hold true. Nahi hai. There could have been accidents, but no death. No death also we can't say. Accidents hua to death bhi hone ka chances hai. So that is why this is also wrong. There could have been landslides, but no accidents. Again, that also we don't know. Landslides hoga to accidents hone ka chances hai. So no accidents, we can't eliminate possibility of an accident. इसलिए there were no landslides is the only definitely hold true conclusion. Clear है ना सबको? Simple है. This was another question. This is a little tricky, but if you use the right approach, this is also easy. Try it, all of you. Okay, this is divisibility factors, etc. idea is there. Finding the X chapter idea is also there. Factors divisibility is a separate lecture we'll be having in this course. So certain number of apples are distributed without cutting in such a way that without cutting means full apples only can be taken in such a way that A gets 1/4 of the total. Again, इसको understand करने के लिए option choose करिए, then it will be very simple. So finally question क्या पूछ रहा है? Then which of the following could not be the possible number of apples? So total apples 16 होना. That is the first case we are taking. A gets 1/4 of it means A will get 4 apples because 16 ka 1/4 4 hai na. Now how many people are remaining we don't know at all. How many people are remaining we don't know. B, C, D, E, F, we don't know how many people. But question is saying that each of the remaining people, whatever be the number of people, could get an equal number. मतलब 16 apple में बाकी बचा हुआ number कितना है? 12. A gets 1/4, that should also be satisfied. A get 1/4 means Remaining apple is 3/4, na? 3/4 of 16, which is 12. 3/4 apples. So the remaining people, whatever be that number, they all together should get 3/4 of the apples. That means that should also satisfy. A gets thrice each of others. A gets thrice each of others means that itself is problematic here. Na? 4 thrice each of others means everyone should get 1/3 of 4. 1/3 of 4 is 4/3. 4/3 means you have to cut the apple. Without cutting is mentioned already. So whatever be the number of remaining people, A gets thrice each of others is not possible. Why it is not possible? Because you have chosen a wrong total number of apples. So 1 is the answer, because could not be the possible number of apples is the answer. So 1 is the answer. Did you understand? Yeah, luckily first option itself was correct. So what about other options? Let us check why they are not the answer or why they are possible total number of apples. If it is 12, let us take 12 apples. A will get how much? 1/4 of 12. 1/4 of 12 क्या है? 12 का 1/4 3 है ना? So बचा हुआ apples कितना है? 9. What if I am taking 9 people? B, C, D, E, F, G up to J. 9 people means everyone will get how many apples? 1 apple each. I'm showing you an example how second 12 number of apples is possible. This 3 is 3 times of 1, 3 times of 1 for each of those. This A gets thrice each of the others is perfectly working. So 12 is possible number of apple. Could not be possible nahi hai. So 12 is not the answer. Is it clear? All of you, please respond. Please respond. If it is 24, same logic. 12 ka double hai 24. So 12 work karega to 24 bhi work karega. That is the reason. In factors and divisibility, I will generalize this and tell you when it will work, when it won't work. So 24 means 1/4 of 24 is 6. So remaining is 18. 18 means everyone get 2 apple, 9 people. So 6 is 3 times of 2. So 24 perfectly works. If 24 works, 36 also works because 12 ka 3 times is 36. 12 work karega to 36 bhi work karega. Why 36 works? For those people who are new to aptitude, I will just show you that super fast. A 1/4 of 36 means 9 apples. So A should get 3 times of others means everyone else should get 3 only. So that 3 times is 9. So 3 apples means remaining apples is 36 minus 9. 36 minus 9, 27. So how many people are needed? 9 people are needed. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 9 people. 3 into 9 is 27. You can make it theoretical. You can generalize it. But today's lecture, we are trying to get answers as soon as possible. When we discuss the detailed theory, I will explain. Shashikala, option A, you have still doubt. Did you understand why option B, C, D are eliminated? That is actually enough. B, C, D eliminated is the reason why option A is the answer. That way also you can say. Option A, the problem with option A is, if 16 is the total number of apple, A will get 1/4 of 16. 1/4 of 16 is 4. So how many are remaining? 12 apple. Now, remaining also you forget. Whatever be this 4, question says A get 3 times of each other. 4 is not a multiple of 3. That is why option A is the answer. That is the simplest explanation. Because if A should get a multiple of 3, then only A can get thrice of each others. Because 4 is not a multiple of 3. A getting thrice of others means others should get 1/3 of A. 1/3 of A means 4/3. 4/3 means an apple and 1/3 of an apple. For that, you have to cut the apple. Question says don't cut the apple. So option A is the answer. I have told it in a different perspective to make it more clearer. So is it clear? Then try this. Yeah, this is a question I am telling for many years. Please learn this and go, learn this and go. So that got repeated again. Common mistake students make. CSIR always check this. That's okay, Shashikala. Take your time. As we have enough time in this course, don't worry. as you're part of the course, we will have almost 70 lectures. Through that lectures, you will gain your confidence and the speed will automatically increase. Don't worry about it. Average speed ka concept. Just before exam also, I told students, learn average speed and go for exam. Same thing got repeated this time also. Okay, so I'll explain. At what uniform speed must Ramesh travel the remaining distance to reach Durgapur from Kolkata at an average speed of 70, given that he has already traveled halfway at the speed of 60? Some people who's not aware of these concepts think like, okay, 60, 80. 60 plus 80 by 2 is 70. So 80 should be the answer. That is why option 1, 80 is there. That is true only for the case when the time is same in both cases. If a person travels speed x for time t and speed y for time t, yes, average speed is first speed plus second speed by 2. But here the time is not same. Halfway means distance is same. Please understand. Distance same है तो automatically time different होना चाहिए because speed same है. Speed or distance, sorry, speed different है. 60 and speed are different for sure. That is why time will be different. Time same है तो first speed plus second speed by 2 use कर सकता है. Time same नहीं है तो you have to use 2 times first speed into second speed divided by first speed plus second speed. That is average speed. When the distances are same, you have to use this. Halfway means this distance and the remaining distance are equal. So if this is x, this is also x. In that case, you can use this formula. This formula ka derivation we will be learning in this chapter. This derivation is nothing but total distance by total time. From that you are deriving it. You don't have to mug up this formula. Rote learning avoid kariye. Unlearn and relearn logic. So anyway, in this lecture we don't have that much time. That is why the derivation, the logic behind this formula, all those things we'll learn in the speed distance time chapter. So 2 times first speed. First speed, if you want, you can call S1 and S2 because I have used X already here. First speed into second speed divided by first speed plus second speed. This is average speed formula. Capital S for average speed if I take. Here the average speed you are targeting at is 70. Because question says that at what uniform speed must Ramesh travel to reach Durgapur to Kolkata at 70 km per hour. So 70 is the left hand side. 2 times. First speed is what? First speed is 60 because halfway 60. Yes, distance 60 km per hour में travel किया. Yes, speed क्या है? S2 क्या है? We don't know. So 2 times 60 into S2 divided by 60 plus S2. ये linear equation को solve करिए. That's enough to get the answer. So cross multiplying, you will get 4200 plus 70 S2 is equal to, or if you want, first you cancel this 0 and 0. Then 420 plus 7 S2 is equal to 12 S2. So 420 is equal to 5 S2. 5 S2 means don't, if you don't like to write S2 S2, you can put let M be that speed. So S2 is equal to 420 by 5. 420 by 5. To divide a number by 5, divide the number by 10 and double it. 420 by 10 is 42. 42 double is 84. So 84 will be the answer. or substitute each option into this equation. That way also you can do. Halfway, Shashikala, halfway means distance equal. Shashikala, we will discuss all these things in detail in speed distance and chapter. Don't worry. These technical terms one by one I will be decoding. So halfway means full way, halfway. Way means what? Distance. Shashikala, as I told, this formula in depth we will be discussing in that chapter. This is the primary analysis after the question paper is released. So once I do that, you will understand it. This formula derivation we haven't discussed yet. So once we do that, you will understand. Don't worry. Okay, so this one was another interesting question. Like a puzzle, like a who's who problem itself, this is asked. Easy if you use the right approach. If you visualize it properly, बहुत ही simple है. Try करिए ये question. Those who are watching this as a video in YouTube, this is part of our course. These videos are taken live. That recording is uploaded in YouTube for your reference, especially for those people who want to check the answer key, whether they want to challenge the answer key or something for that purpose. And those who are watching this video on YouTube, if you want to be part of the full course, download our mobile app Christy's Classes from Google Play Store or visit our website christysclasses.in. Check the description of the video. You can find the direct link. There you can join the new batch. We are starting new batches every month. 2 new batches will be started so that you can attend all classes live itself if you want. And if you want to attend recording, all the classes, just after the class, the recording will be updated. And there will be detailed study material of each topic. After every class, the class notes will be uploaded. The practice worksheet of a topic will be uploaded. The PYQs topic-wise segregated will be uploaded. The flashcards are there. Mock test, full-length mock test will be there. Weekly test will be there to analyze your progress and to get practice, complete practice in a single week. Whatever we discuss, that will be 3 classes will be there, and remaining 3 days will be given for your practice. That time you will be provided with a practice worksheet to practice. Then Sunday there will be weekly test. That way, that 3 topics we can make sure that you are completely clear about it. So it's a most systematic course for CSIR-NET General Aptitude. You all are welcome to be part of that course, by which, the testimonials of the last batch of this course was very overwhelming for me, because most of the students told by the course itself they could score more than 25 marks. This time, let me tell you frankly, 2025 FEB exam was comparatively easier than the 2024 paper. That's why that is also a reason that the very high marks for students were getting this time in very less time. That is the main thing in our course. That is the focus. Maximum mark in minimum time. 25 mark up 50 minutes में कर रहा तो that is not very good at all, or that is actually not good for your subject part. But 25 marks 25 minutes में कर रहा तो that is helpful for your subject part, because remaining 2.5 hour 2 hour 35 minutes are there for your subject part. You're saving time from aptitude and giving to subject part. That is the main advantage by being part of this course, because normally I won't say you all should target 30 out of 30. But many of my students got 30 out of 30 this time. But getting 30 out of 30 should not be the first priority. Getting maximum in minimum time, maximum mark in minimum time, वो minimum time is more important. अब 20 marks मिल रहा तो 20 minutes में मिलना चाहिए. 15 marks मिलना है तो 15 minutes में मिलना चाहिए. उसके लिए आप practice करना है. When I'm saying 15 marks is so less a mark in 2025 FEB exam, because that was little easier question paper. Some tougher paper mein 15 marks in 15 minutes also is a very big deal if the question paper is so tough. So, but whatever be the toughness of the question paper, you should get maximum mark in minimum time. That minimum time aspect always keep in mind. Many people are not aware of it. That's why they are not understanding whether they did well in aptitude or not. They say I got 20 marks. When I ask how much time you took, I took 40 minutes. That is not a good deal at all. Okay, so let me explain. The letters in the word joker represent the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but not necessarily in that order. Matlab J1, O2 not necessary. So let us start with the definite information. K is 1. So K is 1, write it out. Now K is 1 means J is an odd number, means 1 is not possible. Remaining odd numbers are 3 or 5 only. Let us write both of them now. O is either 4 or 5. O should be 4 or 5. Let us write both of them now. E is either 4 or 5. Sorry. O is neither 4 or 5. Yeah, don't make the mistake I made now. Neither means 4 भी नहीं है, 5 भी नहीं है, and 1 possible भी नहीं है, क्योंकि 1 is already taken by K. मतलब O के लिए remaining possibilities are 2 or 3 only. 2 or 3 only. E is either 4 or 5. E 4 or 5 हो सकता है. R is none of 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that is an important information. R 2 नहीं है, 3 नहीं है, 4 भी नहीं है. R 2 नहीं है, 3 नहीं है, 4 भी नहीं है, 1 भी नहीं है, because K is already 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4 gone means R should be 5. That information confirms everything. R should be 5 means 5 can be deleted from J list also, E list also. So J is 3. J is 3 means O cannot be 3. O is 2. E cannot be 5. So E is 4. Sabka number mila. K, J, O, E, R. Sabka number mila. Now what is J? J is 3. Simple hai na? Second option 3. Is it clear to all of you? Please respond. I will discuss 1 or 2 more questions and finish. Remaining questions we will discuss in the full course in each topics. All 20 questions discussing in this lecture is not possible because that needs at least 2 hours. According to my schedule, taking 2-hour long class is not possible. And as per the plan, this course, each lectures are of 1 hour and then 10 minutes. Shashikala, I didn't understand. This is similar to the shake hand problem. Mathematical science paper में एक shake hand problem था. Shashikala, don't arrange it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 order. That is not necessary. That is not a seating arrangement problem now. Match it. That is what is asked. What is 1, what is 2, what is 3, what is 4, what is 5? That is asked. Yeah, if you want, you can write joker and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and arrange, rearrange. But that way will be confusing, Shashikala. Don't do that. I'll just summarize once more. Previous question, those of you have doubt, listen carefully. I'll just point out that things that will help you to answer faster. Clearly, it says K is 1. Now. If K is 1, confirm R is 5. Why? Because R cannot be 2, 3, 4. R cannot be 2, 3, 4. R cannot be 1 also because already K is 1. So R can only be 5. R can only be 5. Now, E is either 4 or 5 is not possible because R is already 5. That means E can only be 4. E can only be 4. That is also confirmed. E can only be 4. Now J is an odd number. Already odd number 1 and 5 is taken. So J can only be the remaining odd number 3. Confirm. Now the remaining letter should take the remaining number. O should take the remaining number 2. This is the faster solution. But I can come up with the faster solution only when I trial and error different solutions. That's why I told a faster way now. Once you are reading first, you won't be reaching at the faster solution always. You can trial and error, you can iterate things and then reach the solution. That is a strategy in exam hall. Clear now. Okay, then try this question super fast. Okay, I'll explain. In a three-party meet, A, B, C are the three parties. So 5 representatives for each party. Everyone greeted everyone else except none of party A greeted any of party C and vice versa. So A to C, C to A, no greeting at all. Greeting means A greeting C, C greeting A are two different greetings. Not like shake hands. Shake hand may A to B shake hand, B to A shake hand are same. But here greeting means, for example, I say namaste. You will say namaste. That are two namastes. Are you getting the point? In the permutation combination chapter, we discussed this difference. Sharing shake hands, sharing gifts, how they are different. Same way, it is similar to the sharing gift idea here, sharing greetings or exchanging greetings. So now party B is actually happy with all A and C party. A and C are actually opposing party. So you can think about the opposing party in your states. So A party, B party, C party. B will greet everyone in A. So B to A greetings are 5 in number. And A will greet everyone in B. That is 5 more greeting. Okay, 5 candidates hai na? Are you getting the point? One second. Okay, I will name them. Otherwise, it will be confusing. I will call A party people A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. B party B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. So B will greet A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. One second. Similarly, these 5 there is a confusion. Okay. So 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Yeah, and vice versa. That is 50 greetings will be there. I'll explain this in that particular chapter. I'm a little confused here. Now, if I take more time, it will be more confusing only. Okay, I'll come back to this question. Okay, yeah, I think today we can complete the session here. Remaining questions we'll discuss in each chapter. So I will just go through all the questions that we discussed and not discussed and tell which all topics were more asked and how we will be proceeding in the course. So this is actually arrangement of things. So this is a reasoning miscellaneous question, but we'll be discussing this in the reasoning miscellaneous more in detail. And this is distance and direction normal type, commonly repeated type in CSIR. डायरेक्शन सेंस क्वेश्चन, डिस्टेंस एंड डायरेक्शन चैप्टर में हम डिस्कस करेगा. और ये क्वेश्चन नंबर सिस्टम का बेसिक नंबर सिस्टम क्वेश्चन है, क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ नंबर्स का क्वेश्चन है, वो चैप्टर में डिस्कस करेगा. ये पजल्स, लॉजिकल पजल्स का क्वेश्चन है, रीजनिंग मिसलेनियस में डिस्कस करेगा. एंड दिस इज who's who एंड सीटिंग अरेंजमेंट. सीटिंग अरेंजमेंट में इसका शॉर्टकट्स डिस्कस होगा. And these things, playing cards things, if you have confusion, that also will be discussed. And ये actually statement and conclusion type है, नया type है, so we'll be discussing that in a separate lecture. And this one, divisibility and factors divisibility वाला idea ज्यादा involved है, लेकिन finding the x chapter का idea भी involved है. So factors divisibility में इसका ज्यादा shortcut डिस्कस करेगा. या commonly repeated type है, CSIR में इसका एक variation question already पूछा था, but उसका answer cannot be determined था, cannot be, because they have given such a speed that can never be achieved. That question ka repetition hai ye, so that will be discussed in speed distance time chapter. And this is again puzzles and who's who type, and this is again permutation combination unit mein iska detailed discussion hoga, aur ye confusion also will clarify there. This is who's who type, again we already discussed. Who's who chapter mein discuss hoga. And ye chapter, ye statement and conclusion, statement related problems, 2 lectures are there, उसमें ये टाइप का क्वेश्चन का डिस्कशन होगा. This is actually distance and direction, easy question only, but time consuming to explain. We'll discuss it in that chapter. Data interpretation का क्वेश्चन था, easy question है, टाइम ज्यादा लगेगा, that's why we'll discuss in the data interpretation chapter. ये mensuration का क्वेश्चन है, बहुत ही सिंपल क्वेश्चन है, 3D शेप का क्वेश्चन है. दिस पाइथागोरस थ्योरम वाला आइडिया यूज किया था, बहुत ही सिंपल है. एंड दिस वन ऑल्सो स्पेशल एप्टीट्यूड का क्वेश्चन है, ये भी एक्चुअली नया इंट्रोड्यूस किया है. गेट में स्पेशल एप्टीट्यूड आने के साथ सीएसआईआर में भी स्पेशल एप्टीट्यूड का मोर टाइप्स पूछना स्टार्ट किया है. सो वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग इट इन अ सेपरेट लेक्चर. एंड दिस वन परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन का टाइप ही है, सीटिंग अरेंजमेंट का आइडिया भी इन्वॉल्व है, विल डिस्कस देयर. दिस इज अगेन ज्योमेट्री, सिंपल सर्कल का आइडिया. ये थोड़ा ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन था, डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन का क्वेश्चन है, विल डिस्कस इट. एंड दिस इज टाइम एंड स्पीड डिस्टेंस टाइम टुगेदर. स्पीड डिस्टेंस टाइम का आइडिया और टाइम प्रॉब्लम का आइडिया दोनों इन्वॉल्व है. So these were the 20 questions in this paper. So Alok, from next week onwards, 10:30 to 11:30 itself will be the class timing. This week, as I told, due to some personal reasons, timing and all changed a bit. But next week onwards, it will be always 10:30 to 11:30. So that's it. I think let's conclude. If there is no other doubts, if there is any other doubts, please ask. And new students, if you want to be part of the course, yesterday onwards, we have 30% discount for NET exam also, GATE exam also, UPSC exam also. We have courses for all the courses. This discount is applicable, so you can make use of that special discount just if you want to join the course. And CSIR-NET का live complete course है ये. If you want to join the recorded course, that is available, but I will recommend to join the live course, which is the most updated course. Recorded course is the recording of the previous batch. So previous batch में February 2024 exam का 2025 exam का questions नहीं मिला था. So according to these 25 questions, we will be changing the course a bit so that it will be more useful according to the latest trend of CSIR-NET exam paper. So that is the thing. And those of you want more information about the course, new students, 17th March, we are starting a new batch. So if you want to start from the beginning, coming Monday, we will be starting the new batch. You are all are welcome to be part of the new batch. And my complete course students, please let your friends know about this course to new students. Let them know that the new batch is starting so that they can start learning from the beginning. So this is the details of the course. And now we have introduced smaller subscription because many people were saying that they are not needing 1 year subscription, shorter subscription chahiye. For that 4-month subscription, 6-month subscription are also introduced. अभी होली का special sale में इसका price और भी discounted होगा. So use that for joining the course. This is the full details of the course. Gate का भी complete course चल रहा है. This Sunday, as we are discussing PYQs, there won't be test, Shashigala. After this PYQ sessions are over, then we will start the weekly test. So any doubts or any concerns or queries regarding the course, you can text us at this number or call us at this number. Download this mobile app and website. Usme demo videos bhi uploaded hai. And this is the details of the Gate Complete course. Gate Complete course ka live class timing 8:30 a.m. hai. But if you cannot attend live, you can attend recording of each class. After each class, the recording will be updated in 1 or 2 hours itself. And CSIR course ka timing 10:30 a.m. hai. That also live or recorded you can watch. So that's it. Thank you all of you. Take care all of you. See you all in the next class. Those of you watching this video on YouTube, please make sure you are commented on this video and like the video, share the video to maximum people and subscribe this channel so that you can get all the further updates. Shashikala, you can send it in the group first. Let others also try it. When I get time, I will reply because in the group, if students reply, that will be better. Others also get a chance to discuss the question. So that will be better. And in the doubt clearing session, maybe we will plan few discussion of those questions also. Okay, so that's it. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.